What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stocko YouTube channel. I believe we have great confirmation that NIO is headed in the right direction. A lot of news has just broken out today, and we're going to be giving you a price target by New Year's. This price target is not just going to be a guess. This is going to be with the fundamentals that we are given by NIO and the numbers that they are projecting. We're going to look at competitors like Tesla just to get a good ballpark range of the price we can get around New Year's. If you feel any of this information gives you any insight on the NIO stock, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be keeping you updated the next couple of months on NIO. But right now, as you can see, the stock is up, almost 8% right now, and it has been rallying hard from the bottom about 30. We know that the sell-off was mainly because of the semiconductor shortage, going around. There was a fire, there's supply chain issues. So the chip shortage was just giving the bears a reason for pulling the stock down, saying that there's going to be no more new growth. And that's when stocks go flat, is when the growth, stalls out. Okay. So basically, we have to look at what's going on with NIO today for the sales. And it looks like NIO just provided their May delivery, and the sales were 6,711 vehicles, which is down month over month, but the stock still went up. It did say 95% year over year increase, but the main thing of the reason why the stock is going up while the deliveries are going down is because the chip shortage looks like it is getting close to easing up, getting resolved, heading in the right direction for the rest of the year. And we'll take a look at this article real quick. Auto chip shortage expected to ease as Renaissance plant set to return to full capacity by mid-June. You got to understand what this plant really does here. So we'll take a look at the stock chart on this company right here. This is Renaissance Electronics Corp. Guys, this is a $2 trillion company right here. $2 trillion. This is a massive, massive company right here. Semiconductor manufacturing company, corporation, Japanese semiconductor in Tokyo. And right here it says, the chip shortage has been a major factor weighing on the valuations of global car companies over the past few months, as a fire at Japan's Renaissance Electronics Corp plant has added to its woes. Now the good news that the plant's capacity is not far from full restoration. This plant nearly holds 1/3 of the global market share. 1/3 is coming out of this factory, guys. This is massive, okay? So that's just a great direction for the EVs, to just not even get to their all-time highs, blow past their all-time highs, because these companies are about to grow in the third and fourth quarter. And I think NIO is about to be firing on all cylinders in Q3, which, after June, this is the end of Q2, January, February, March, Q1, April, May, June, Q2. Once we get into Q3, July, August, September, I think we're going to be firing on all cylinders. And I think, the fourth quarter is where we see everything fall into place on the next NIO day. And I'm going to give you guys a very, very accurate price target. You're going to be blown away when you see the potential that NIO has. So let's just go back a little bit. Let's take a look at the NIO stock. 68 billion market cap, pretty high market cap, but for potential of what they can possibly do, this is absolutely nothing, okay? So we're at 68 billion. We know right now that the NIO outstanding shares, there's a couple of numbers. We got a 1.6 billion and we got a 1.55 billion right here. So I'm not too sure about the accuracy, but this is March confirmation of 1.5 billion, and this is 1.6. We'll go with 1.6 billion. How many outstanding shares there are, but we're gonna go with 1.6 billion to get my price target. And another thing is, NIO did not lower their deliveries for Q2. The company maintains and reiterates the delivery guidance of 21 to 22,000 vehicles in the second quarter of 2021. And don't forget, guys, I think that they knew this chip shortage was going to ease up. I believe that they knew probably last month that the chip shortage was really going to ease up, because they did sign that deal. Once again, I just did a video on this to double its production, guys. The Chinese electrical vehicle company manufacturing partner agreed to boost output to 20,000 vehicles per month, okay? 20,000 vehicles. That's what the JAC manufacturing company, guys, that's nearly 240,000 vehicles per year, okay? Or 20,000 vehicles per month, okay? I'm not going to say that this is going to happen in Q3, which the deal looks like it is going to happen, but we'll just play it a little bit safer, okay? We'll say this is start kicking in by by Q4, okay? The 20,000 vehicles per month, October, November, December, okay? If they hit that 60,000 vehicle mark in a quarter, guys, do you realize what kind of massive increase that is? Tesla reported the best quarter ever for Q1, 180,000 vehicles. We're going to be 1/3 of Tesla's production this year. Think about the massive upside this company has. 1/3 of the production of Tesla, okay? We're going to be at 60,000 vehicles on this production ramp up deal, okay? Let's just go with the 60K. Those are the numbers. I'm not making it up. This is the deal signed with JAC, okay? We're going to give them the 60,000. That's 1/3 of Tesla, okay? Right now, we know that Tesla has about 25 Wall Street analysts on it, okay? All over the company. I know they have other types of business models like solar, but NIO has other types of business models as well. They sell NIO Life. They do drinks, clothing. There's so many different types of things. So we're just going to go off the car sales, okay? So right now they got Tesla at a hold, 3% upside. So what that means is we can go off the current market cap of Tesla right now to potentially get a number valuation market cap and price target of NIO by New Year's, okay? This is a 6-month price target, guys, okay? So hold your horses. We're going to go with the 6 months. So we can confirm that this chip shortage is resolved. Q4, we're hitting the deal that is confirmed of the 20,000 vehicle production, okay? So check this out. We know that NIO, this might be about 1.5 billion. I'm not too sure, okay? Let's just go off the market cap of Tesla right now, okay? We know that Tesla is a 600 billion market cap. In the next 2 quarters, if NIO does get to that crazy production, guys. Remember, we're only doing about 7,000 vehicle sales right now. With 20,000 vehicles, that is going to be a significant increase to the market cap. So 1/3 of the production of 180,000 vehicles on Tesla. We're going to give this company, we're going to go with a 200 billion market cap in the next two quarters, okay? And I'm going to do a little bit of a cutoff. I'm going to go with about 150 billion, okay? But that's fair because 1/3 of the production right now on Tesla's massive pullback, they're doing 1/3 of the numbers. And guys, it seems a little bit unrealistic, but this is just the new deal confirmed. This is a massive deal, 250 million vehicles a year. We're going to give them the benefit of the doubt. 60,000 vehicles. This is what I've been saying to people, how fast they can grow when they really get things in check. And it starts with the chip shortage, which we saw the third biggest company in the world is getting resolved with chip shortages. So we're heading in the right direction. So we're going to go about a 150 billion market cap, okay? About a 150, okay, which is 1/4 of Tesla, which is very fair. 1/4. And don't forget, Tesla was at nearly $900 billion. They've came down about 30%. So we're just going off of Tesla's lows right now. We're going to go with the 150. Let's see what we can come up with in the next 6 months, okay? So guys, with a 1.6 billion outstanding shares, which we have confirmed that this is potentially the accurate amount. It could be a little bit lower, about 1.5 billion. If we get a market cap of 1/4 of the massive pullback on Tesla stock that's came down from 900 billion all the way down to 600 billion. We're going to give them 150 billion market cap in the next 2 quarters. The NIO stock should be around $93, okay? If I give them, the super high growth potential, a lot of analysts can possibly do this and just give them 1/4 of the market cap, which right here, we'll take a look real quick. 1/3 which would be about 200 billion. If we bump it up a little bit, to 200, and if we bump it up to 200 billion market cap, we're going to be at 125 bucks. So you see a lot of these crazy price targets, 400, 500, $600,000 price targets. That's not possible this year. Okay, I have gave $300 price targets by the end of 2023, when the NIO ET7 is on mass production. They're in that new factory that they're building. Those are some crazy numbers. But this is just what I'm looking at right now. So guys, we have a price target of $93 to $125. These are from the numbers of, 1/4 and 1/3 of the market cap of Tesla on the pullback. The new, deal signed with 20,000 vehicles per month. That's 1/3 of what Tesla's doing right now. A company that's been at this for 10 plus years. So NIO's only about 6 years old. These are some crazy numbers, but I just wanted to throw these out for you. And, we're doing really good right now. So I'm going to go with that price target of 100 to 120 by New Year's NIO Day, guys. This is very exciting times. Give them about a quarter to get this chip shortage fully ramped back up, to full capacity, and get that deal done where they're doing 20,000 vehicles, 1/3 of Tesla's, guys. Very exciting times. I just wanted to bring this to your attention. We possibly are looking at a triple on our hands in the next 6+ months. A triple from the $40 price target right now, or the $40 price of NIO right now. And don't forget, we are far from, that the fair market value of NIO right now. Analysts are at about 60, 70 bucks right now. So this sell-off because of this chip shortage is just oversold. It was a bearish 3 months, and we're headed into the right direction, guys. So these are the numbers. Don't forget, the low end, 150 billion. I mean, guys, we should be at 93 bucks by New Year. So very exciting times. Once again, please subscribe to the channel if you want to get more price target analysis. Give me some stocks you want me to look at. I really appreciate the support. I'm getting back on to this grind. That the market is, coming back to life a little bit. So I really appreciate the support, and I hope you have a great day.